Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily open the bin files on Android. So if you ever downloaded a file ending in .bin or bin and wonder how to open it in your Android phone, so these binary files often contain important data but your phone doesn't recognize them by default. But don't worry, the solution is simple and here I'm going to show you how. So first one, you can try renaming the file. So you need to understand when a bin file is just a rename archive like an ISO or zip, and you can just change the extension. And the second one, you can just download a free Android app to extract the binary files. So you can just open the Play Store and then search for this keyword bin file opener or viewer, and there will be lots of options in here. Bin file opener, file viewer for Android, bin file opener again. So you can just choose which one. I think I'm going to just choose the one with higher rating here. Let's try this one in here. So just install the apps on your phone and let's just wait until it's fully installed. So once the app has been installed, you can just open it directly on your phone. So let's hit on open. This is the bin file opener or bin viewer. So in here you need to allow some of the permissions. So now this is the bin viewer. You can just choose which file that you want to open, whether it's images, documents, ICSII. Here, let's say I'm going to open a document. You can just click on that options, and here you need to allow access to manage all files. Allow that. Let's go back to the app. In here, okay, now you can just choose a document type. Let's choose bin, and then if you have any on your file manager, you can find it on the list. Click on it and you'll be able to view the file inside the application. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one.